How's it going, everybody? Martin with Belleville Auto Spa. Today's video is a much anticipated product, that a lot of people have been looking forward to from Carpro. This product will be available next month from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and a few weeks after that, other websites. Carpro's Descale Acid Car Wash. Now, as it says on the bottle, it's a powerful and versatile acidic car shampoo for hard water and tough dirt. We'll go back to the instructions. See right there. Pause it if you need to. Basically, it's a 1 to 100 in a bucket or 1 to 10 for a foam sprayer. For light contamination, use it as a snow foam and allow maximum dwell time before rinsing, and follow up with a hand wash for heavier contamination. Panel by panel with a hand wash. Repeat as necessary and thoroughly rinse. So, some things to mention: this is 100% intended for ceramic coated cars, mainly coated cars as a maintenance product, so like once every 6 months or so. Unless you have, like, if you have to wash your car with hard water a lot, you don't have a deionizer or something, this is a good thing to wash your car with every 6 months or so, because it'll kind of any type of mineral buildup in your coating, it'll remove. Now, this isn't a water spot remover. If you've got, like, noticeable hard water spots, you're going to want to go spotless, and I am going to review that soon. However, Descale is just kind of a coating revitalizer. Let me grab another car shampoo I've got similar in a sense. We got Iron X Snow Soap. Iron X Snow Soap is for light iron decontamination to wash your car with, where Descale is for hard water. So these things kind of complement each other. So, if you live in an area with a lot of rail dust, or you have an insane amount of brake dust that just builds up on your car, Iron X Snow Soap is going to be something good for that. But keep in mind, this is a pH neutral soap. This is acidic. So this generally won't impact any type of protection on your car more than a normal car shampoo would. Descale will. So if you don't have a straight up ceramic coating, Descale will more than likely strip it off or severely impact its performance and make it not last as long. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to do both. We're going to foam it on and rinse it off. We're also going to do a hand wash because this is it'll be a good demonstration, and it'll get my car nice and decontaminated, even though my car is really not that contaminated. But we still want to show you guys, because you can see my car over there ready to go. It rained yesterday. It's not going to rain the next week, thankfully. So let me get this set up in a foam cannon, and then we will be on our way. Alright, so I got approximately 500 milliliters of water in here, so we're going to need about 50 milliliters of the soap. So this is a 30 milliliter container, so we'll get it best we can. Go ahead and open it up. So 30. Ooh, didn't know that was that color. Looks like blood almost. It's 30. There we go. That should be about 50. Did spill a little bit, but that's alright. This is going to be our foamer. Alright, next is we will foam it on the car. We'll see how it performs. Alright, so I'm going to dial the foam cannon all the way to the max here, if I can get that to focus, which is all the way to the minus. Doesn't look like it wants to focus. Oh well. Let's see how it works. can see, that is some very good foam. Let me put this down. Just as good as reset, just as good as lift. Nice and thick. Doesn't seem like the most lubricated, but we'll see once we get to the hand wash stage. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty impressive as far as the foam goes. So let me foam the rest of the car, and then I'll show how it rinses off. All right, so it's been a few minutes, so we're gonna start rinsing it off. We'll just show this section just to show how the soap rinses. This is a 2000 psi 1.2 GPM max pressure washer, so it's not anything crazy. So let's just see how it does. So you can see that it rinsed off pretty easily. Still got great water behavior. Really no impact to the coating at all. And I mean, that's just a spray and rinse, you know, or a foam and rinse. That's not even the car completely clean. But again, you know, when you have a ceramic coated car, you get good water behavior anyways. Unfortunately, you know, my car is well taken care of. I say unfortunately for the video's sake, so I can't really see how it reinvigorates coatings, as they say. I'm sure somebody else will come up with that. But still pretty good nonetheless. So let me get this rinsed off, and then we will show the bucket wash. Alright, so next step is bucket wash. Now in a bucket, you're supposed to dilute 1 to 100. These are 3-gallon buckets. It's not completely full, but that's okay. We'll go a little on the heavy side. So we're going to need 30 milliliters of soap, so we got our little measuring container. There we go, that's 30 mils. Now 3-gallon buckets, did I do the math wrong? I think I did. Give me a second, let me think about this. Okay, so that was completely wrong. So it's going to need about, what did you say, 30-40 mils per gallon. So I'll tell you what, we'll fill this up just to be on the safe side. We'll add a little, 60 mils. Probably need like 100 mils, honestly. So we're going a little bit on the heavy side just to be safe. There we go. That should be enough. My measurements are terrible. I'm so bad at math, honestly. I should have done had this all written down before, but oh well, whatever. It's too late now. Let's see how it foams up in the bucket. There we go. Some great foam. Grab my wash mitt. Now, I don't have a Carpro Dab wash mitt, sadly. I plan to eventually when they do release it, and I can buy it, but we'll use this Max Shine, which has been well reliable for some time now. Alright, now let's get to washing the car. Alright, so I'll wash the hood just so we can see what it's like. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a car wash soap, so don't know what more you can expect. Nice and sudsy, and feels like it's got good lubrication. I'm not an expert on that, but it doesn't feel like a cheap car wash soap, which I wouldn't expect it to. It's Carpro. Sure you get all the spots. and we will come back and rinse. Beautiful water beading. Can't beat Seacort's coatings. Honestly, I do my final rinse with deionized water, so I never really have an issue with mineral buildups. Anyways, you can see it works good. It is a good soap, so I've got nothing bad to say about it. But let's go back in for our final thoughts. Alright, so Carpro Descale. I think overall, yes, the product is it's excellent, very good, works very well, does what it says, works as a soap. I don't know the pH level of it when it is at its dilutions. As you can tell, I am terrible with the dilution ratios, but I think we got in the ballpark of what it should be. Any mathematicians, go ahead and comment, let me know if I got it right. You know, this product, as far as goes for professionals and people with ceramic coated cars that do their own maintenance, this is going to be a good semi-annual product to use. I mean, yeah, Carpro products are pricey. Yes, it is not as concentrated as Reset. Lift is a pre-wash foam. Reset is your hand wash. It's not as concentrated as Reset. However, it is still overall, in my opinion, very good. You won't be using it as much. It should not cost you as much as it costs you to use Reset, because you should be using Reset more often anyways. I mean, I know I use Reset a lot. As far as it rejuvenating coatings, I couldn't honestly tell you, because my car was barely even contaminated, if it even was. Fortunately, I don't have anything to show you guys. I take care of my cars very well. And my clients that do return to me regularly, I make sure their cars are taken care of very well. Hopefully somebody else will get some good tests going for everybody and can really see what this stuff is truly capable of. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Do you plan on buying this? Do you know of something similar? What's your decontamination process for ceramic coated cars? Let me know. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate every single person that views, comments, likes the video. It really helps the channel out. We're moving on to do bigger and better things. I've got a test panel, as you may have seen in my community post, and we'll do some things with that and come up with some ideas. But again, thank you for watching. Have a good one.